Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use gesture navigation in Samsung S23 Ultra. Gesture navigation makes it easy for users to quickly navigate between menus and applications, especially for smartphones with less bezel designs or almost no frames on the screen. How to enable and use gesture navigation on your Samsung. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap on display. Scroll down again and tap navigation bar. Now my phone still uses the navigation button. So to use gesture navigation, tap on swipe gesture. The three buttons on the screen will disappear and now your phone will be full screen. You can set navigation gestures in more options, like sensitivity and swipe to open Assistant app. To go back to a previous page, swipe left or right on the edges of the screen. Swipe up to go to the home screen. And to view your recent apps, simply swipe up and hold. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.